Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Since Hurricane Melissa shuttered several hotels in the west, hoteliers in the eastern parishes have been bathing in guests. But that shower has now turned into a slow drip. Krista Campbell explains.
Owner and managing director of Match Resort in Portland, Richard Harris, says it was shaping up to be a bumper winter tourist season for his small hotel last year.
For the first in our history, we were literally almost fully booked from this is pre-Melissa.
But after October 28, 2025,
and then the hurricane came and we had literally 100% cancellation.
The number of individuals overseas thought that the entire island of Jamaica was destroyed. Hence, people had apprehension in visiting Jamaica.
By November, a 180-degree turnaround. Jamaicans living overseas, concerned about their families and properties back home, started to book hotels in parishes not devastated by the hurricane. Eastern parishes like Portland were top picks.
I would say about the 21st, the amount of bookings that were pouring in daily, we had to block the place, period. So we literally run a block period from about the 23rd right back to the 2nd of January.
According to Mr. Harris, it was triple the high bookings he'd typically see for the Christmas period.
If this small resort was had 3 times the number of rooms, it would have been full. But alas, we're now back at a slow period and we hope for the best.
But where Match Resort struck gold in bookings, Hotel Timbambo struck out. General Manager Thomas Panton says there were more cancellations than check-ins and the blowback was near catastrophic.
We were not even able to break even. We had to reduce the staff complement so that we could, make good and still keep our doors open.
So with the expected boom from the closure of hotels in hard-hit western, northern, and even southern parishes failing to materialize,
it is saying to me that Portland is not being properly marketed as a tourist destination, notwithstanding that tourism started in Portland.
And so he has suggestions.
Rafting on the Rio Grande, that is significantly reduced. We had the cave in Nonsuch, that is no longer existing. We had the Blue Lagoon, problems there.
He's calling for a resuscitation of once popular attractions in Portland.
They could build a casino on the island of on Navy Island, and that would attract a number of individuals to this parish.
While optimistic, the hoteliers note at this time of the year there would usually be more guests checked in than they currently have. Full to capacity just a few days ago, hotel rooms are now beginning to lie empty. However, those in the industry are hoping things will begin to pick up soon. Reporting from Match Resort here in Dolphin Bay, Portland, I'm Krista Campbell for TVJ News.
All categories of fuel will be increased effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 gasoline will be increased by $1.20 and 90 gasoline will go up by $1.17. Automotive diesel will see $2.44 being added to its price, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will also be increased by $3.06. Kerosene will see its price increased by $3.06. The cost of propane will be increased by $1.44, while butane will also go up by the same price. Each petrol station will make the adjustments to the prices, which include the markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 3,889 points today to close at 345,855. The junior market index also advanced by 36 points to close at 3,385. The winners include 138 Student Living Jamaica, Variable Preference Shares, MPC Carbon Clean Energy, Mail Pack Group, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Palace Amusement. The losers include Medical Disposables and Supplies, Carbon Cream, Salada Foods Jamaica, Pulse Investments, JFP Limited, and 21 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157.62. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.09. The pound is going for $216.02, while the euro is selling for an average $188.61. And that's it for the business day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.